So we've seen this morning on a lot of the streets in Krabi Town. They've got fire pits going out of old like metal cans, and they're chucking firecrackers in, but they're really, really loud. Sounds like gunshots going off, but we think it's for Chinese New Year. So she's got a good fire going here. Just waiting for her to chuck them in. Here we go. So this is just around the corner from our hotel. We've got an hour or so this morning, so we thought we'd come down and have a look.
I predict that we are going to a cookery class this afternoon.
Yeah, but you already knew that. You've got to predict.
Are you doubting my powers?
Yeah. Overall, I'd say a great little free museum. It's nice to actually see something dedicated to a lot of the local cultures here, particularly in this region. So definitely worth a visit if you're in Krabi anytime soon. We're just waiting to be picked up, so hopefully they won't be too long, and then we can get going with the cooking, which is the main thing for today anyway. So we knew we had this morning free. So she's just explained what all the dishes are, and now we're having to choose which ones we want to make. So I'm making the tom kha gai, pad thai, green long bean salads, and then the green curry paste to do the green curry with chicken. And everybody else is just currently choosing theirs. So Sarah and I are doing different things so that we can obviously have different experience of learning the dishes, and then we can try the different ones at the end as well when we eat lunch.
Thai ginger is like a Thai people, sweet and spicy. Just left behind.
This is the weekend night market, so it's open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's Friday night, so it's the first and only chance we'll get to come here. And this should be the largest of all the night markets here in Krabi. It's also Chinese New Year's Eve, so there's going to be a lot of people around. We'll take you with us. I expect the stalls are going to be very similar to what we've already seen. They're my favourites. Might have to come back for one of them. But there's going to be more clothing, souvenirs and things at this one than we've seen at others. A shadow puppet thing. There's quite a lot of stalls here, so the walkways are quite narrow. Is it spicy?
It's spicy, it's not blowy. It's got a nice kick.
quite difficult to film a lot of the stalls walking around here. But I think you probably get a good idea from the other night market videos anyway.